Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that's definitely worthy of a download, and it's going to be free for the taking as well. So you know how the story goes. Download ASAP. Now with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now before we get started, I need for you all to be open-minded to something new, something fun, something fresh. The developer definitely got down on this one, and I'm telling you, this one is definitely worthy of a download. Now when the watch face is in the AOD mode, it looks nice. You're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design. Now when the watch face is on, I like this ring that's going around the bezel of the watch. It lights up, it really makes the watch face stand out. You get a black background, which is going to help with your battery efficiency as well. And you're going to get this, it's going to be your minute. That's going to represent your hour. And you also get your step status info in the middle, which I'm thinking this is definitely a good look for the summertime. And if I go ahead and I tap here, I can get my date, my heart rate information, my steps, also miles walked or ran, battery info, and down at the bottom I get my digital time. So now I get the best of both worlds. I thought the developer did an excellent job on this watch face. Now if you don't want this, all you got to do is tap on it and it'll take it out. But I think this is a nice look exactly the way it is. Now if I want to change the color theme, double tap and I could get many different colors to change to customize with whatever it is that I got going on for the day, or choose my favorite color. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it, people? Is it a download, or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button on the way out, and also subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.